This gives you more water time in my opinion. So I'm gonna count these down for you. Beautiful area for your kids to play. We have another lifeguard here on the beach. Oh, okay, here's a good example. I'm probably 100 yards back. Melissa here bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is Mickey Minnie Cove Cabanas. Yes, I hope you saw and enjoyed my Cabana 29 tour, and so many of you have been asking me, my clients, my guests, my Facebook group, what does the beach at Mickey Minnie Cove Cabana really look like? Which should I choose? Should I choose Sandcastle? Should I choose Mickey and Minnie or Serenity Bay? Well, I've got lots of tips, I've got lots of tricks, and I'm here all the time and would love to be your seasoned travel professional. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. And for now, let's walk up and down this beach. You asked for it, you got it. Let's check out the Mickey Minnie Cove Cabana beach. So I'm gonna count these down for you. This is 31, 30, 29. That's the Grand Cabana we're in now. Notice trees, not many trees, not much shade, but you do have the umbrellas. Then we have 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. And I'm gonna walk you all the way down. So this is beautiful if you like quiet, and let's look at the beach here. You've got the Cove Jetty here. It comes out and it's so shallow, but this is just today, you guys. This is nature, it changes. So you can't really say how deep it is, but today, it's Mother's Day, it's very shallow, and these guests here, and the tide's gonna come in or out, you know, so it varies. There looks like swim short deep, and then beautiful area for your kids to play. And the waves come in very calmly today. So look at this, she is just having the best time up to her knees. I'd say she's about 3, and your kids would have an amazing time over here, absolutely. And there's our lifeguard, keeping us safe. Thank you, sir. One travel agent tip that I have is if you're at the Mickey Minnie Cove Cabanas, they do have beach toys for your kids, but if they're a little bit older and they're wanting to go to the Pelican Plunge water slides, things like that, the splash pad, you will need to get on a tram and go back. So let's talk about that and what is top priority for your family. I have ideas and we can chat together. And for now, let's continue down the beach. I'm at 21 now, and here's our beach. You don't see many chairs. Our Chase Lounge chairs are up by our cabanas, if you'll notice. And when you start coming over here to 19 and 18, the chairs are down further by the beach. And again, we are ankle deep here. It is not deep, too deep. Yep. I believe that from all the times I've been to Sandcastle Cabanas, this is deeper than what it is over there. The tide comes in pretty, and out actually, throughout the day. So this gives you more water time in my opinion. Young kiddos, I'd say they're probably 8. They're having a good old time while mom's relaxing. This beach is amazing. So I am now at Cabana 18, 17, 16. So this is what your beach would look like. I am walking on some shells. Not bad though. So I'm gonna move up here, and who knows, it's nature. There may be shells when you're here, there may not, but it is absolutely magical because I can just move right here and walk. Love this. I'm talking absolutely clear, nobody here. We have the buoys out here to let us know how far it's safe to go. Thank you, Disney Cruise Line, for that. Here's a mom in her chair. Happy Mother's Day. Love that. So many children here. Don't be frightened by Serenity Bay. This is definitely family friendly. Okay, 16, 15, 14, and there's more life jackets. We don't have 13. That's 12. And 11. 11 is handicapped accessible. What a beautiful accessible ramp there. We can book that for your family if needed. Let's keep going. Lots of families, lots of kiddos. Once you get down, this is the Obuoy bar on the other side. You probably saw me pass by that on the other video. So this is 15, 14, and Obuoy bar. So your chairs are pretty close here to the beach when you're in these. Yep, and then let's keep going. Kids with their fishing nets. I see sand castles. This beach is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's 11, handicapped accessible. And then we start seeing trees here between 11, 10, and 9. So 10 is in between two handicapped cabanas here. And then 9 is also handicapped accessible. Love that. We have another lifeguard here on the beach, keeping us safe. Hi guys, how are y'all?
We're in 9 and you can feel free to go in, it's amazing.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
This beautiful guest said I can go in number 9 and check it out. Okay, perfect, and you've got the handicapped accessible.
Yeah, you just have to be careful because of the hill.
Okay, oh,
It's real steep.
that's a good point.
Bringing in more sand, she said.
Okay, great. Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that. Let's go up to 9. I love our guests. They're so nice. So this is handicapped accessible number 9. Okay, let's keep going. So now we're on 9, and then this is 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So you can see our chase lounges and our umbrellas. They are very close to the beach here before you get to the adult Serenity Bay. The water is very inviting. We have families everywhere, and it is just an absolute beautiful, beautiful day. So I am almost at the very end, number 1. So we have walked from 31 to 1, and beautiful sand, beautiful beaches, lots of young children, just having a very nice open beach day. And since we're featuring the beach on this video, I'm going to show you all the way to the edge so you can better understand how Serenity Bay is divided between Mickey and Minnie Cove Cabanas with adult Serenity Bay. All right, so this is number 1. And here is the beach from number 1, and I'm gonna walk back. So if you're at number 1, you do have this boundary here. There's a rope here and a rope here. So this side is all beach for Mickey and Minnie Cove Cabana on this side, you guys. Okay, so we did come to Serenity Bay, but this side is all Mickey and Minnie. Now, if I look across this rope, this is Castaway Air. This is adult only. This is adult only. This is adult only. All of this beach, adult only. So that's where you go if you are an adult only. Our adult only cabanas are way back there, and they eat on this side of Hangar Bar 98. So very different than Mickey and Minnie, and I hope that helps explain it better. And I'll send this to all my guests that are asking me the difference when we're selecting your cabana. Okay, we're turning the corner in what I call the cove. More little ones out here. We've got some adults sitting way out there. How's that? Oh my gosh, what a beautiful day. I'm gonna go do that. Oh, okay, here's a good example. We have mom and little one He's up to his waist, way out there. And they're going to get Dad right along the buoy. And you guys, I'm in front of 19. So we've come a long way. This is beautiful, beautiful. Yes, these are the facts. This is official from Melissa VIP Magic. It's a great place to be with your family here on Mickey and Minnie. There goes another little one out. Very good. And we're back to our cabana. And here we are again at 29. And here is the beach. So I'm probably 100 yards back. I'm in the water. I'm not even waist deep. This is 31. And look at all of the families. Look at the beach, look at the trees. So many families all along the way having a beautiful time. Yeah, so from right here, all the way across here are Mickey and Minnie. Don't you love this perspective? Yes, and you can go so far out and the kids are out, so much fun. And all the way over here on the other side, the set of umbrellas all the way down is the adult beach. So that's Serenity Bay, adult only. All of this is family. We're still in Serenity Bay, but it is a family side. I hope this helps a little bit. Now let's take a peek here. Families are even way out here and they're touching. And so they just got asked to be moved back because our our barrier, our buoy is back here. So the kids can even go this far out. I mean, pristine, beautiful day. Notice the trees, and then the trees stop down here. So that would be a consideration, but we have had a lovely time here in 29. Hopefully this can help you decide when we book your Mickey and Minnie cabana, which side you want to be on, Mickey and Minnie or Sand Castle. So I've got lots of tips and tricks for you, and when you book your next Disney vacation with Melissa VIP Magic, we can go through all those, and I'm sure I've sent you this video to help you decide. So we want the perfect, most magical fit for your family. And for your next Disney vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now, did you find out about Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your Disney cruise? No worries, I can still help make your Disney cruise effortless, exciting, and magical. If you booked within 30 days from a placeholder or a cruise, if you book directly with Disney and you have not made your final payment, email me. You can find me at melissa@crazyimaginationtravel.com. We can transfer your existing reservation under my care at no additional cost to you. And one last fun fact, we've started a Disney Cruise Line Concierge Facebook group. You can find me, search on Facebook, Disney Cruise Line Concierge VIP Insiders. We chat Disney Cruise Line Concierge all day long, and we would love for you to join our community. I hope you enjoyed this beach tour, and it better explains the Mickey and Minnie Cove Cabana Beach, and you're excited to get here. I'm excited to help you plan, and let's do this together. See you real soon.